Hitting our 40s can feel like a turning point. Fine lines start to peek through, skin may feel drier or less firm, and that youthful glow seems a bit faded. But here's the empowering truth. Your skin can still look radiant and resilient with the right care. Today we're revealing 3 game-changing face oils that nourish your skin and visibly soften the signs of aging. These are natural, non-invasive alternatives that work with your skin, just botanical goodness backed by science and lots of love. After 40, your skin naturally starts to lose hydration and collagen. Face oils aren't just a beauty trend, they're a deeply effective way to restore what time takes away. Oils replenish moisture, support elasticity, and protect your skin's barrier. The best face oils are rich in antioxidants, omega fatty acids, and vitamins A, C, and E. These nutrients help repair skin damage, boost hydration, and smooth fine lines naturally. If you love natural skincare, tap like and subscribe to Repair Our Health for more age-defying tips. Sea buckthorn oil is a powerhouse for mature skin, often called a superfruit for your skin. Rich in omega-7, its berries contain up to 10 times more vitamin C than oranges and are loaded with vitamin E and carotenoids. It boosts elasticity, hydrates deeply, and fades sunspots. So what makes sea buckthorn oil a must-have for over 40 skin? First, it's one of the very few plant sources of omega-7 fatty acids. Omega-7 might sound technical, but it's basically a rare fatty acid that deeply nourishes and plumps the skin, helping to smooth out fine lines and boost elasticity. Think of it as nature's way of keeping skin bouncy. This oil is also rich in carotenoids, that's why it has that vivid orange color, and antioxidants like vitamin C and flavonoids. Together, these help even out skin tone and fade sunspots, while fighting off free radicals that cause premature aging. It's also safe for most skin types, including dry, combination, and sensitive. Dermatologists call sea buckthorn oil an underrated gem for aging skin. It helps protect your skin from daily damage and keeps it looking bright. It's packed with vitamins A, B, C, and E, plus omega fatty acids that lock in moisture, calm irritation, and support firmer, smoother skin. Unlike retinol, it hydrates while repairing. No peeling, no redness. It's gentle, non-sensitizing to sunlight, and layers well with vitamin C in the morning or hyaluronic acid at night. You can even boost it with a drop of argan or jojoba oil. For most skin types, it's a powerful, soothing alternative that works beautifully both day and night. Bakuchiol is a plant-based alternative to retinol that delivers similar anti-aging benefits, like boosting collagen, smoothing fine lines, and evening out skin tone without irritation. It's gentle, non-sensitizing, and safe for most skin types, including sensitive-prone skin. You can use it day or night, and it pairs well with moisturizers or calming serums. It's safe for most skin types, especially helpful if you've had reactions to retinol in the past. Studies show visible improvements in 8 to 12 weeks, but many notice softer, glowing skin in just a few. It's proof that gentle really can be powerful. Bakuchiol delivers retinol-like results, smoother lines, better texture, without irritation. Great for sensitive skin, it boosts collagen and brightens uneven tone. Our number 1 pick is Rosehip Oil, rich in natural vitamin A, C, and E. It improves elasticity, smooths wrinkles, and helps fade dark spots gently and effectively. Rosehip Oil is a top anti-aging pick for over 40 skin, known as nature's vitamin A powerhouse. It's rich in antioxidants, vitamins A, C, and E, plus omega fatty acids that help smooth fine lines, fade dark spots, and deeply hydrate. Dermatologists love it for boosting collagen and brightening dull skin without the irritation of synthetic retinol. It's safe for most skin types, including dry, combination, and sensitive, and works beautifully over time. Use 2 to 3 drops at night after cleansing, or blend it with moisturizer. Within weeks, skin looks firmer, more even, and naturally radiant. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin and delivers long-term glow with consistent use. So, to get started, just apply 2 to 3 drops to clean, damp skin. Then gently press the oil into your face. You can totally customize your routine. For glow, go with Rosehip. For firming, try Bakuchiol. And for bounce, sea buckthorn is your friend. Or, blend all 3 for the full power. You can also layer these oils with serums like vitamin C or hyaluronic acid, or add a drop of argan or jojoba for even more hydration. And honestly, you can blend these oils together or layer them with serums like vitamin C in the morning or hyaluronic acid at night for that extra glow. With consistent use, you may see a glow within 1 week, smoother texture by week 4, and firmer, younger-looking skin by 8 weeks. It's your glow up naturally. There you have it, 3 powerful face oils to support glowing youthful skin over 40. Sea buckthorn hydrates and firms, Bakuchiol smooths, wrinkles gently, and Rosehip renews with vitamin-rich nourishment. These oils are natural, proven and soothing, with visible results that build over time. Many women notice a glow within the first 10 days and firmer, smoother skin in just weeks. Best of all, you're not just treating your skin, you're celebrating it. With daily care and consistency, your glow up is only a few drops away. These oils nourish, repair, and glow with you. Like, subscribe and tell us which one you're excited to try. Your skin deserves this kind of care. Stay radiant. Your skin deserves to be cared for, not corrected. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always patch test and consult your skincare professional before trying new products.